Florida gal here. Today we're gonna ride Tron during the daytime. Let's do this. So something that I did want to mention is that I have already filmed this during the nighttime. I'm doing this video so y'all can compare daytime to nighttime. Go ahead and add in the comments which one do you prefer. And I'm gonna add that link to that nighttime video down in my description below.
Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For your safety in this world.
Has passed through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory.
Prepare for Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Here we go. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Whew, we did it.
Attention, the light cycle has been temporarily suspended. Your race will resume in a moment. Please stay seated. Florida